Hey guys, so we are actually about to go on into the movies. We're gonna go see, what is it? Okay, so it's Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. I'm really excited, so we'll just see what I think about it at the very end. I just got out of work, so I just changed and everything, and I look so tired. I'm sorry. Let's just head on over to the movies. Dog was amazing.
Very smart.
What did you think of the movie? It started out slow, don't you think?
I thought it'd be boring.
I thought it started out super slow, and then it started to pick up and everything, and then at the end, I feel like it was a super like comedy kind of thing. Hey guys, so as you saw last night, we went to go see Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. It was really good. It started out super slow, to be honest. So if you can't like be patient and just wait for the story to build up, I don't think the movie is gonna be for you. But it was a pretty good movie and everything. It was a Quentin Tarantino movie, so of course there's gonna be blood. Blood happened towards the end. It was it was a twist on something that actually happened, so it was fairly accurate from a certain standpoint, but I liked it. But we're headed off to Bishop's Castle, so I'll see you guys over there.
Sketch. Alright.
Say good morning. No, it's morning. It's too early for him, sorry. You are disgusting. So we have arrived. I've never been here, and these two both have, so this is kind of embarrassing. Oh, I like your shorts. But there's so many people here, and we arrived at like 9:46, so we'll see. Go up in a minute. I feel so less awkward vlogging here because there's so many people here with cameras anyway, you know? Like it just feels not that bad. Oh, the lighting's really good right here.
Yeah, it is.
I want to go to the tiny room because it's my size, you know?
Check out what?
The tiny room. I want to see Ricardo fit in there. I'm going to see Ricardo fit into the tiny room. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, there's some spots like this. Hey, you guys want to go?
Let's go.
You want this one?
Yeah. Oh my god, you guys are making me so scared right now. They're like jumping on this. And it's like such a long way down. Oh my gosh. Shut up! You're like... I'm nervous, yeah.
All we have to go all the way down.
Where to go?
No, that's too sketch. No.
What is? Oh my god! Do you guys see that it's like shaking and Xavier's going all the way over there? You were like,
Oh my god.
oh my god! Look how what? Look at them, jeez, acting like it's nothing. I'm like, I'm gonna die, guys. The drop is insane, and I'm like so scared right now. They're insane. Do you see them over there just chilling? No. Oh my god, no. Even the amount that I went up there, you guys are so lucky I went up there. Like it's, and then those guys like, no, and then you and Xavier are like, you two can't go at the same time. And then those two guys came right after me, and they were up there. I was just like, oh my god, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna fall, jeez.
Oh my god.
Jeez, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's a hole in the floor. Guys, they freaking left me. Can you believe that? They're so rude and inconsiderate, and they're way over there by now. Do you see that? And there's like a sign here that says to enter at your own risk, and that the Capitol is under construction. That is insane. That is, oh my gosh, that is too zoomed in. That is crazy. Oh my gosh. Hey. I'm like so nervous, I'm shaking up here. Look how high we are. They're like up there. I got a little bit stalled on the staircase, honestly. So I'm just like, ugh, traumatized. Say it one more time. That wasn't that loud, jeez. I'm disappointed in him.
I've hit my head at least like 2 or 3 times, didn't Okay, go.
After like a half hour up here, would you say we've been up here for a half hour?
For about half hour.
I would think a half hour. We are finally going down. I will follow your lead, Ricardo, if you want to go first. I'll go first if you want me
Ladies
to.
first.
Oh no! Oh. Okay, so everybody split up their own separate ways. Look at that. I'm just gonna go through out here. But yeah, everybody split up their own separate ways. Xavier literally jumped out a freaking window. There they are. So we just got lunch from the food truck. I got nachos. They're super loaded up. And these two got shaved ice. What flavor did you get?
We both got blue raspberry.
Oh, nice. I just got a water.
There you go. I'm gonna be like, wait, not yet. You saved up your travel miles for shaved ice. Did that come out right? Yeah, look at that.
Xavier's over here like an infomercial. Jeez.
No, you ever seen that Geico commercial?
Which one? There's tons of them.
Where the two guys were talking and he was like, you saved up your mile points for shaved ice.
No, I've never seen that.
Yeah. Funny.
Well, I feel like that was a success. What about you guys?
It was?
I feel like it was really nice.
Take half.
Anyway, Xavier wants to go to the San Isabel Lake, you said?
That's right.
Alright, where is it?
Downhill.
Downhill? So back that way?
Yeah,
Alright,
past
cool.
it.
Alright, cool, I'm down. So we'll catch up with you guys later. Okay, so we are at we're at Blue Ocean. Shush. We're at Blue Ocean. Xavier doesn't like sushi, so he literally, look at him. Ricardo, tell them what you got. He hasn't got it yet.
Soy sauce.
No, what did you order?
California. Back to me.
Oh my gosh. Anyway, and I got the Von Miller roll. So I've had it before. I really like it. Ricardo's gonna try a little bit. So yeah. So we just ordered the Colorado, and Ricardo really likes it. And I'm a sucker for salmon, so both the Von Miller and Colorado both have salmon. So good. Xavier, he's over sushi. He's sticking with his broccoli. Look at him. So we just got home. Did you miss us? Did you miss us?
No, I just started having me time.
Wow. So selfish. Anyway, I come home and everything, and I find this. Anyway, so I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. I'm not gonna open it until I get home from work. And yeah, we're home. I just took off my fanny pack and everything. I thought it was super cute. It was super cute. Don't give me that look. But I will see you guys later in the next video. Bye.